In this video, I'm taking you along with me as I look for some inspiration, a nice looking layout, find the animations that are going to shape this next client's website. You're going to see the exact moment that I land on the design that I will be using to kind of like replicate, but not truly. You know what I mean? But it's definitely be pretty sick. The one that I ended up choosing is not what I expected. And honestly, I don't even know if I could pull it off. So this next client is also going to be a barber website. But what I wanted to do is I kind of made my first webpage a little bit static. I messed up the layout. So the goal is to kind of see if I can find a website that has a pretty good like animation list where words are kind of just appearing, or if things are, sliding in, how is the button working right? I want to add a lot more of transitions and animation. I know exactly how to do it, but I've never used it to like its full extent. Like I think I definitely need a website where I get to play around with it and it kind of ends up looking, quite nice. Also, as well, this website that I'm going to be using is called Webflow, and it literally is like, I think you could look up honestly anything there. If you can't, and this is only specifically barbershop websites, then that's cool. But I sorted everything. I'm pretty sure you're able to look up any type of website on barbershop websites, and it's so cool because you can actually visit these pages, and then if you really want something that looks quite similar, you can actually go to the real page, inspect it, and then possibly even take the code if you kind of don't get how to do it, which is, I think, super damn cool. So y'all are gonna see me from here, but you're also gonna see right there, okay? So here we got a couple of websites that look pretty cool, but I want one that looks like a barber website. This is not even, I think that's just straight up okay, oh, this doesn't look bad. And what's pretty cool is that they got it to be on all platforms. Ooh, that looks nice. That looks nice. You scroll down and ends up sliding down. I kind of don't like it like that though. Not gonna lie, kind of don't like it like that. Like, why is that dead following me? I'm actually, this is still the same page. I thought it was over. Let me see if I can find the actual web page. Maybe it looks a little bit funny because it's not the actual site. Oh no, yeah, I don't like it. I don't know why. It feels like it's throwing me off that it's following me. I feel like for me, I would have preferred it to just be up here. But I do think that it's pretty cool that you have this, and then as soon as you go past it, this pops up as something different, something new, but it just feels like it's in the way a little. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but that website is definitely, I would definitely give it a heart. Oh wait, I forgot I gotta log in. Let's see if we can find some different websites here. This one doesn't look too bad over here. I like this. Ooh, see how the words just pop up? And then, yes, like, I love that. I need to honestly learn exactly what that animation is that gets that to pop up like that. I think that is very, very interesting. The Black Barbershop. Oh, and I like how after it loads up, it doesn't do it again. Because there's this website that I'm very much, infatuated with. I'm not sure if I'm going to choose it or not, but I think this one might take it. I really like this one. I think this one looks so much like a genuine barbershop website. Obviously, it looks like something I could pull off, right? And I'm not trying to replicate it completely. It's just, like I said, I like the animation. I might like the design. I might throw a picture of the barber, right? We don't really know. But let's continue to scroll down. I like that. I probably wouldn't add this. I feel like this would just be too much for me. Got the beard X. You click it. Oh, and it takes you to the main page. Oh yeah, that's another thing about this, is that they have multiple pages. Straight up, this throws me off. I don't think I would ever get into that. I think, here it is every time something pops out. I don't know if this is my laptop or something. But the way it keeps happening, I like it for a second, but then look when I go back up. Alright, never mind. Maybe my laptop was just slow. I take some inspiration from both. I don't see how that could definitely be wrong. I don't think it is wrong. I think we might have to take inspiration from both. But stick around, because I'm going to end up revealing the layout that I ended up picking later in this video, and the animation that made me lock in. I like the overall design. I think I'm probably actually going to stick with this website. I like the browse our services pick. They didn't even have a browse our services. We offer a unique, they didn't have an about me section. I think I could have definitely made their webpage so much better. Hey, stay tuned for what we're gonna end up recreating in the next part. This is it. the layout I ended up landing on, the animation that I'm going to be doing for my barbershop website. I do want to do the button a little bit differently. None of them did a pretty cool button, but I do want to do a button that looks pretty damn sick. Maybe slides or something, maybe a logo pops up. We will see. So that is the inspiration phase done. Next, I'm going to be actually jumping into HTML and seeing exactly how we're going to do this. Basically plan it, but also write the HTML, if that makes sense. It's going to be a long episode, so hopefully y'all end up enjoying that one when it comes out. And so if you want to see this mock client project end up coming out to life, watch the next video. And by the way, these are mock clients. These are practice clients. I do this to get my practice level up. I feel like I know enough of web development to be able to make some money. But as of right now, I want to make sure I can move quick because I don't want to be like, yes, I'm a book you client, but it's going to take a week for me to make your website. You know what I'm saying? I got to learn how to move a little bit faster. That's the point of this series. Hopefully you are enjoying it. Deuces.